this is how you can stop your engine oil from soaking your spark plug or ignition coil. Whenever you observe any oil on your ignition coil, it means that this seal is bad. So you remove the seal from the engine cover, clean it very well so that the new seal you want to fix can lap easily and it will stop the leakage. So get a new seal, then place it, make sure it is well aligned. Though it cannot just go inside even after you have set it. It will not lap easily like that because it needs to be tightened. So you get a 30, because here I use 30 mm socket to push it down. Hold on, let me show it to you. Okay. Get a 30 mm socket to push it down. Sometimes it can be very hard, but you can tap it. You can use either your hand or you get a light hammer to tap it. So this is how to fix the coil seal.